I just want to start off by saying thank you guys. I love each and every one of you guys, and we made it to 2K. Once your JB4 is all plugged in, tucked away neatly and all... Nope, I had it, I just fucked up. Once your JB4 is fully connected, installed and everything, you're ready to rip the car. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today in the M4. Now, what is up you guys? We are back. You guys have been updated with the channel. We are back from Lake Tahoe. Back with a busted lip and back with a very, very filthy car. But we're gonna go address that right now. It has been a while since we turned this thing on. So first things first for you guys is definitely gonna be a quick cold start. Now, we are gonna let the car warm up before we start this video. But if you guys are new to the channel, I hope you guys are having a great day. To my fellow subscribers, hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I love each and every one of you guys. I love all of you guys. Thank you guys for all the crazy support. This video is unreal. I can't believe I'm actually making this video. For all my new viewers, my name is Alex. Welcome to the channel. I hope you guys feel welcome. I hope you guys are enjoying all the content. There's plenty of content to go back. Check it out. Now, if you can tell by the title of the video, yes, you guys, we made it to 2K subscribers. It's so unreal. It's just crazy to me to think that we made it to 2K subscribers. I remember first opening up the channel and I always had the support, and I appreciate you guys for always supporting me and, you know, making this a reality. But when I first opened the channel up, I remember only having about maybe 60 to 50 subscribers and thinking to myself, like, 1,000 just seems like unattainable. Never in my life would I have imagined 2K now. So you guys, thank you guys so much. I think I'm gonna talk to you guys while driving. So we're gonna let this car warm up and then we're gonna jump straight into it while getting some clips, drives, pulls, and everything. Let's get it. First things first, thank you guys. Thank each and every one of you guys watching this video, supporting non-stop. We finally reached 2,000 subscribers, you guys. It is unreal to think that you guys have unconditional love and support from the start. Because to think that 2K is attainable, man, I only want to think about what, 5K or whatever is to come, you know what I mean? In life, you just got to be grateful for whatever it is that you get blessed with, you know? And today, we're blessed with 2K subscribers, thanks to you guys. Thanks to you guys, and only because of you guys are we doing this video. Today, we're going to be doing a quick giveaway. I'm not going to disclose exactly what we're going to give away, but stick till the end of the video. It's going to be a quick and simple giveaway for you guys that have been supporting through the start and till now, to show you guys the love and support that I have for you guys and how much I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Nothing better than a couple downshifts. It's just crazy to me knowing that I'm able to take a drive in the M, vlog about it, do some pulls for you guys, and at the end of the day, like, the support's always going to be there, and I thank you guys a lot from the bottom of my heart, from my whole heart, I would say. Much love to all of you guys. But first breakdown of the video, heading to my boy Stanley's house to rinse up the M because it's filthy, and after that, some cinematics and some pulls. All right, y'all. 2K subscribers. We're gonna get some pulls in for you guys. M2 mode for you guys. Why? Because 2K, y'all. Because 2K. Hopefully there's not too much traffic on the highway right now. Windows down for sure. We're at 2K subscribers, you guys. None of this would have been real without the support, the love, and just I'm like speechless right now. But the fact that I'm making this video for you guys right now is so unreal, and it's a blessing. I count every day as a blessing. Man, I really wish there wasn't that much traffic. If you guys are not from the city, Golden Gate Bridge to our right, Presidio Park to our left. But as I was stating, we are heading to my boy Stanley's house right now. We're gonna bless up the whip, get some cinematics, clean this thing up, and continue with the vlog. Don't think I won't take this thing at 60. No, I definitely wouldn't. I wouldn't know how to act. Nor am I capable of taking those turns at 60 yet. Ooh, we got a little beauty to our left. Hold on, what is that? Woohoo! Look, that thing is on some tire. Back in the day, that thing would have pulled up on you. I wouldn't have even lined it up. You guys definitely can't smell it, but that unburned fuel coming from that oldie, whew, that's fuel for me. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm getting some love today, not only from you guys in the video, but from the drivers out here, man. I think it's because I'm using my turn signal, honestly.
Diamond tuck interior. Back in the 60s, you used to bring cars like this down to Mexico.
Super clean interior on the door cards. This just brings you back into the good days. They don't make cars like this anymore. What a beauty, man. Caught this on the freeway. There it is. Crazy what you find when you come outside, man. You take care, man. That's crazy, man. Homeboy was super dope. He said it was like a 58 or something. I can't remember off the top of my head exactly. To think we caught him on the highway and he pulled up to the gas station. I was like, you know what? I got to chop it up with this guy. I need to know exactly what that car is capable of. He said it was an old drag car. I mean, by the looks of it, I don't doubt it at all. Got a little detour, but heading back to Stanley's place right now. So let's go check up on our boy. Cute as fool. Can you let the people know what the video is for?
It's for the 20 or 2K subs.
Damn, 20K in like 2 years, bruh. But we there. Hey, if anyone's missing an R6, it's because of this guy. His voice. It's crazy. We'll give you guys an update, but yeah, they did try to steal his bike. Quick cold start for you guys, to my biker people. But next stop, the boys' shop. And by shop, we mean the garage. Being that we are static, it's kind of tough to get in. But my boy Stanley is an engineer, and static is basically non-existent to my boy. How's it looking, Stanley?
I mean, we got it. We
made it. Shout out to Stanley. But oh my god. And leg 2.0 is to blame for the busted lip, but don't worry, we're gonna get a new one. Oh my. Yeah, we're like on the ground right now. But time to wash the whip and then continue with the video. Shout out to the boy Stanley, looking clean and fresh, brought back to life. The next location is basically gonna be where we reveal the giveaway and what we're gonna give away, but also how to win. So let's go. And just like that, we are back in the cockpit. In regards to the giveaway, it's really gonna be something small, or at least it's probably gonna be small to you guys, but for me, it's like it's something that comes from the heart. If I could give away $1,000, I would. If I could give away $2,000, I would. What I'm gonna give away is a little bit more meaningful and a little bit more valuable to me, hopefully to you guys as well. Just because, man, I'm not made of money. I don't come from money, so it's not like I can just grab a bunch of money, throw it out at you guys, and give it away as is. In the future, we might be doing more giveaways, some raffles maybe. For now, some pulls and some POV action. Well, hello there, Stanley.
What's up?
Why, hello there. I can't even hear my own downshifts. Stanley, we might have to get it running for the 2K video.
Good.
Probably the moment everyone's been waiting for, the actual giveaway. I have everything set. We're gonna post up at this parking lot that we found and go over exactly what it is and all the details. So, bro, Stanley, what happened, bro? What happened in that pool?
I was in 5th gear.
Bro, I was over here thinking you were ready, bro. All right, so first spot was a bus. It was like jam-packed with tourists and everything. But second location is a pretty dope spot. There is a wide intersection behind us. Hint, hint. Big reveal now. The giveaway. Exactly what we're giving away, exactly how you're able to win these prizes, or I would say like these gifts. I think of these as gifts. Big special thanks again, shout out to all of you guys. 2K was a dream of mine. 1K was a big dream of mine. I didn't think I would achieve that. So to think 2K is achievable, man, it makes my day, it makes my week. Without further ado, let's present to you guys what exactly is gonna be the giveaway for today. For today's giveaway, and thanks to all of you guys with the 2K subscribers, I decided to give away 2 Natives black t-shirts as well as 2 Native white t-shirts. So I've had these for a while now. I haven't had the time to make a website or drop a link or whatever it may be. These 2 are up. These 2 are also up, as well as the new Natives banner, rear support banner. I'm gonna be giving away 2 of these as well. Huge shout out to Peluchin and Giselle for basically helping me make these a reality. It took a while to edit and play around with stuff, and we made it an actual design. And with that being said, it's actually on the M now and a couple other cars. So if you would like to rock our Natives rear support banner, 2 up for grabs. All in all, we have 6 things to give away, 2 of each things. I said, why not 2K, 2 of each. So how exactly are we gonna go about the giveaway now that I presented everything? Well, it's gonna be simple. All you gotta do is 1, be subscribed to the channel, 2, like this video, and 3, comment down below. That's all you have to do, 3 steps. Now, once you've achieved all 3 steps, I'm gonna be choosing 6 random lucky commenters down below to win the exclusive merch in this video and for the 2K giveaway. Now, I'll probably be doing that on Instagram, so if you don't already follow me, I'm gonna drop my IG down below. Hit that follow so you guys can have post notifications on. The first person to get randomly selected is gonna have the option of obviously all 6 items, and they're gonna be able to choose 1 of the 6 items. For example, if I win first and I get this black Native shirt, I would take this as being the first lucky contestant. Then the second random commenter will then obviously have option of these 5, and so forth and so forth. 6 random commenters on this video. We have other sizes, so don't worry about that. You guys will be able to rock the merch. This is the white one with the orange highlight on the Natives, and then the rear big logo Natives is on the rear. That is on the white ones. Black one is literally the same thing, just inverted. So black t-shirt with the white highlights as opposed to the white t-shirt with the black highlight. So that's merch on the actual t-shirt side, and banner. It's the Natives established 2020, and we have 2 of these. So that being said, I just want to say again, thank you guys for making this a reality. It's crazy to think we made it to 2K. We're only gonna keep growing from here. And with that, more videos to come. I really brought this to light with 2K subscribers. I should have done it with my 1K. I'm just happy to give back to you guys. And with that being said, go down, like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. That's gonna get you entered automatically into this raffle, this giveaway. I love each and every one of you guys. Shout out to all of you guys watching right now. We made it to 2K, let's celebrate. Well, I've never done this before. We're gonna give it a try. And hope for the best. I am definitely a disgrace to the BMW community. I've always wanted to swing my M. I see a bunch of videos now on YouTube and Instagram and everything of people swinging their cars. This is my first time ever, so you guys can see I need a lot of practice and I am no pro. Yeah, it was really just for you guys, 2K subscribers. Man, the power's there, the adrenaline was definitely there. The skill, not yet. The good thing is we're in Mexico, so disclosed location out here in Mexico. Now, I probably said this like 10 times already in the video, but it's gonna go again. Thank you guys for showing love. Thank you guys for supporting me. And thank you guys for achieving 2K. You know, like I said, it's not really me achieving 2K, but more so you guys. Like, it's really you guys that make this possible. Without you guys, you know, we wouldn't be where we are right now. So thank you guys. And like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic, y'all. Till the next one. Peace.